Hello everyone, this is Teja. Right now we are going to discussing about the flows in Salesforce. Can you all or see my screen? Yeah, this screen represents the flows. How you have might awareness regarding the navigation of the flows, right? Always you have to go to the quick find. Have to search, take a search, enter the flows. After flows, you are exploring these flows. You have to see this right corner top new flows, right? Click on that new flows and screen will pop up another page. Here this is the flows, this is the all kind of flows. Right now we are going to discuss only two flows. One is screen flows and another one is record trigger flows. We'll discuss further remaining one. Left of the flows we'll discuss later. Right now we are going to discuss only two flows, screen flows and as well as record trigger flows. Here this first one is screen flows. Here this flows, the flow builder provide a makes this automation. This makes the automation interaction between the automation interaction between the business and user requirement. This is the useful to us, the screen flow. And we are going to record trigger flows. This is the second one. Everybody see like record trigger flows. This is the automation of this flow builder while create a record, delete a record and update the record. These events will do then only automations are fire. We are seeing that two records, right? And see, this is the we are discussing one use case. uh, this is the requirement from the trailheads provides the some requirements. We have the best practice platform provides by the salesforce by the trailhead. We have to best practice while learning salesforce. Definitely will approach the trailhead. It was the best practice, it may be. And they are giving some challenges, hands-on challenges. I am taking you an example hands of challenges here. If you are done this challenge, if you are done this challenge, will get 500 points from the trailhead account. Here let's move on this requirement. We have to see this requirement there what they are giving. Pyroclastic is a company. We have to understand an analysis of use case of this actual requirement what they are giving to us, right? Here everybody having see this is the requirement. They are this is the requirement they are giving. Also we call as a use case also. They want they want to know existing customers. Sometimes they are into the salesforce. The sales director wants to market so then can be checked and processed. Here understand the requirement what they are given us. See, we have to create a flow. That flow, we are going to verify new leads. That leads are also our existing customers. If they are, if that both things are possible, we have marked that. And if there's a match and add account of the leads possible matching account failed. Okay, this is the requirement what they are given us. After understand this requirement, we have to go before that taking this uh, challenge. We have to do some pre-work. That pre-work they are representing over here. This is the pre-work. They are given pre-work. This is that thing. And here where requirement is create a custom field. Where we can create a custom field to object name is a lead. In a lead object we have to go create a custom field. Everybody knows there is a two types of field, right? One is standard field, Another one is custom field. Standard fields are by defaultly system will give us, right? And custom field we are going to create that. Depends upon our requirement. They are giving the requirement us. Here they're given data type is a lookup relationship. We have to select the data type is relationship. And here if coming to the lookup relationship, there is a two objects. One is parent object, another one is child object. Here lead is a, we consider that a child object. Account is parent object. Parent object. And they are giving field label name. Field label name. Possible matching account. This is that. And field name also they are given. And after that, another thing is we have to do this one. Create record trigger flow. This is actually we create that. We are discussing also record trigger flows right now. Here we have to create a flow. Actually I'm show here, this is the our sandbox, right? If we want to create a record trigger flow, then you have to select record trigger flows. This record trigger flows, after that create. This is the pattern. This is the pattern. And coming to trailhead, this is the elements they are given us to create a record trigger flow. Based on these elements we are going to create a record trigger flow. After we will create this record trigger flow in this our salesforce sandbox, directly we are connecting here to that sandbox trailhead playground to our salesforce sandbox. After we'll do that, directly click on that check challenge and to 500 points. If that is possible, we'll get 500 points. This is today's session. We'll discuss how to do this entire requirement in our sandbox. We'll discuss on next video. Definitely we'll discuss on next video. Thank you.